Over the years, we built a number of great projects for both storing and displaying fine jewelry, but we've never really had a project for those everyday items that you carry around all day long.
And that's where our current project comes in. We're calling it a Dresser Top Valet. And what's nice about it is that even though it's a compact project, there are a lot of versatile storage options on it.
And one of those options is on the inside. You simply lift the lid and put in those items that you want out of sight, like your wallet. Just drop the lid down and no one's going to see it.
Up on top, there's a raised center section that's padded with some velvet. Then on either side of that are small trays that have curved liners on the inside. Now those trays are perfect for keys, coins, and things like that. And the curved ends means that it's easy to be able to draw out those flat items easily.
Now a small project like this might not look like it has a lot going on. It doesn't take a lot of time or materials to build, but one thing you'll find is a lot of great woodworking techniques.
And that starts with building the basic case. Now, with the small size of the parts, as well as the type of joinery that we're going to use, we can take care of all of that joinery work over at the router table using a couple of straight bits.
Now we'll continue with work at the router table by using a core box bit. That'll create the curved ends here on these tray liners that makes it easy to get those items out. We'll use that same core box bit here on the lid to create the flutes. By varying the depth of cut, we can create a fluted lid that's curved.
One of the great things about building a small project like this valet or any box is the opportunity to use some special wood to get a great looking project. Now on the original project, we used some exotic bicote for the main case, then wenge for the tray ends, and then for the handle as well. Then to make the lid really stand out, we used bird's eye maple.
Now you don't need to use exotic materials to build a project like this. Some basic domestic hardwoods work just great. The one we're going to show you how to build, we used cherry for the main case. We used walnut for these tray ends here, as well as the handle. But because maple is a great material that goes with both walnut and cherry, we used the same bird's eye maple for the lid.
Now before you can get going on all of those details, you need to build the main case first. That starts with cutting pieces to size, then heading over to the router table to take care of the joinery.